let's get into how to do these curls with the layers, the fringe bangs, curtain bangs look with this wig. Make sure to keep on watching for all the details to this tutorial.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
So every product that you see me using will be listed on my Amazon storefront under Wig Essentials. I'm starting off with tinting my lace on, actually tinting my ball cap, excuse me. And I'm using the same thing to tint my lace. This is the Red by Kiss Lace Tint Spray in the shade medium dark brown. I use it in almost every single video, same shade, same everything. The wig today is from REMY FORTE Hair. This is a 13x4 frontal. It's already pre-cut, pre-plugged, pre-everything. And it's 26 inches. And it's also in this like honey brown, honey blonde balayage color. It's ombre. And it's a brown wig with like highlights on the bottom. I really like the color. I didn't do any plucking, especially since we're doing a bang look. You really don't have to pluck a wig if you're going to be doing a bang look. But this is the wig. This is the inside construction. I felt like the lace space was kind of small. It was really small to be 13x4. In my opinion, it seemed like it was smaller. The sides was smaller than 4 inches, but the middle was there. Also, the wig was small for my head. Once I put it on, as you guys can see, the sides was not coming down. I do have a low hairline, but I don't feel like that even had anything to do with it. I think my head is just too big for this wig. So I did just sit it on top of my head. The glue was more so just to lay the cap down. It wasn't to lay the wig down at all. But as I'm trying to make sure like it's fitting correctly, I could tell that the wig was going to be too small. So I'm only going to be focusing on the middle part of this wig just for the purpose of showing you guys the style. So just disregard the fact that my sides are not going to come all the way over. And if you are like a big head girl like myself, then just keep in mind that this wig may not fit you. It may not be for you. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial of the style. But I just wanted to go ahead and mention that the hair was soft otherwise. And I did like the color. But the construction of the wig, I'm not a fan. The plucking was really good though, considering I felt like it was decent. I probably would go in and do more if I was doing an actual like middle part or side part hairstyle, but for the purpose of this style I felt like it was fine. But yeah, the cons of this wig to me is the construction of the wig. For the hairstyle, how to achieve the bangs, I'm going in a triangle section. Like I'm making a triangle. How big your triangle is going to depend on how much bang you guys want. So because I'm going for the fringe look, which is a thinner bang, I'm not going in really deep with that triangle. I'm just going in right there in the front. Like I said, if you want it to be bigger or you want a fuller bang, then you just bring your triangle up and you'll have more hair into it. And so this is how it is. I'm sectioning out the triangle piece and then flat ironing everything down. And then I'm twisting that bang area. And so this is just going to create your bangs to fall longer on the sides and shorter in the middle. And I always cut at the tip of my nose. If you need to go up, you can go up later on. But just start off at the tip of your nose so then it's not too short. You cannot get hair back, but you can always cut up, more into the hair. So I did do that, and then I twisted it again so I could cut it up a little shorter. I'm going to continue to cut the bang up multiple times in the video just because it was not as comfortable for me. I don't like it sitting on my eyes. So you will see me cut it several times in the video, but I'm following the same steps and the same methods. As far as the layers go, I'm cutting down on a diagonal on my face part, so the face framing part. You will see me redo my layers a lot of times, y'all, because I'm a perfectionist and I like to make sure that it's sitting exactly where I want it to sit. But as far as the layers go in the front, I start off face framing, so cutting on a diagonal, and then I go in and cut sections. So for choppy layers, as we're going to be trying to do here, I do sections. So I make a section and I cut it right there at my chin. And then I take another section and I cut an inch lower. And then I take another section of hair and I cut an inch lower than that. And you can see me continuing to repeat the process. So I'm going to repeat it several times in the video. This video, I did not leave any parts out. I literally left the whole entire process of me putting my wig on without a bunch of edits, without a bunch of cuts, because I wanted y'all to see, if you're more visual, exactly what I was doing and not just explaining. So like I said, you can see where your last section stops at, and I just go down a little bit further each time I pick up my hair. And I just repeated this same process all around my head. And make sure that you pull all your hair to the front before you start cutting, so you are not missing any pieces at all. This wig came pre-curled, so I didn't have to do a lot. I was really just touching up, and I like that flipped up curl look, so I have been doing those. So I just went in with my T3 curling iron. I think this is a 1 1/4 inch. It's the smaller one. And I flipped all my curls up and pinned them. You don't have to pin them super tight because we're going for like a loose look here. But I flipped all the curls up when I was curling. I pinned them, and then we're going to comb them out later in the video if you want to get that flipped up Farrah Fawcett type look.
My bullshit back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you done with that. I can't get caught up in love.